Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can leave a group chat on Instagram. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Insta account. Tap on the chat icon. Open the group chat you want to delete. Now, tap on the username of the group members. Scroll until you see the leave chat option and tap on it. Now, confirm your action. And that's it. You've just left the group chat on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.